In today's video, I'm going to teach you create a project for weekly meeting follow-ups. If your weekly meetings create a flurry of to-dos that fade by the next week, this simple setup will keep everything organized, visible, and actionable. First, create a dedicated project in your preferred tool and name it something clear like weekly meeting follow-ups. This becomes the single place where all outcomes from your meetings live, so nothing slips through the cracks. Next, add 5 sections to structure the work: agenda, discussed, action items, waiting, and completed. Use agenda to capture the topics you plan to cover in the upcoming meeting. Once a topic is covered, move it to discussed so you have a quick record of what the team actually addressed. Action items is where the real execution happens. This holds the tasks that came out of the meeting. Waiting is for items blocked by an external dependency or a decision you're expecting from someone else. Completed is your running log of wins. Move finished tasks here to close the loop and make progress visible. Right after each meeting, add every follow-up item as a task. Give each task a clear, outcome-focused title so it's obvious what needs to be done, and include a short description to capture the context or key decisions that led to the task. Adding tasks immediately prevents memory gaps and ensures nothing depends on someone's notes living in a personal document. Assign each task to the responsible person. One task, one owner. If multiple people are involved, clarify who is accountable and mention collaborators in the notes. Clear ownership prevents confusion and minimizes the risk of important work going unclaimed. Add due dates, notes, and links from the meeting. Pick realistic dates based on workload and urgency, and note any constraints or criteria for success. Drop in links to relevant documents, slides, or recordings so the assignee has everything needed in one place. The more complete the task, the fewer follow-up questions later. Before the next weekly meeting, review the follow-up project. Scan action items for what's due soon, surface anything at risk, and nudge items in, waiting to unblock them. Move finished work to completed, and update discussed with any new decisions. Finally, use agenda to line up the topics and tasks you need to revisit. With this rhythm, your weekly meetings drive real progress and your team walks in prepared and aligned every time.